Should you turn what you love into a business? People always say follow your passion, but I'm not so sure. I loved bodybuilding, not casually, I loved it deeply. I loved the training, the discipline, the silence in the struggle, the competition with myself, and learning how the mind breaks and rebuilds. It was my time, and then I bought a gym, and things started to change. My passion became a product, my space became public, my training time became customer service. Members would talk to me mid session, complain about small things, need attention, need answers, and slowly what I loved started feeling like work. I had to train when they weren't there, because when they were there, I wasn't free. And that almost ruined bodybuilding for me. So here's the question: should your passion make you rich, or should it stay sacred? Sometimes what you love is fuel, not a business model. Sometimes you build a business to protect what you love, not to monetize it. And I'm still thinking about it.